Hey guys, Wheelspin360 here. We're going to B&M today, and this B&M's supposed to have a load of different pegs. So let's see what stock they've got in, and let's get hunting. Right, here we are at the Hot Wheels stand. It does seem like these pegs are quite full, so let's dive in and see what we can find. But wait a minute, look at this, six classic TV series Batmobiles. From the look of it, another hunter has been here before us and placed all these like this. Unfortunately, none of them are the Super. I'm not really a big fan of Batmobiles anyway. But what has actually caught my eye here is this beautiful 2021 series of hot pickups just sitting here on the pegs. It looks like it's the full set as well. Man, look how beautiful these trucks are. And the graphics on these long cards just look so good. Damn, this custom Chevy is riding really low. Look at that chrome interior. That goes so nice with the baby blue paint. Look how low its fenders are. You know, I always wanted a pickup truck when I was younger. I think I was inspired by that red Fast and Furious pickup truck, you know. Never did end up getting one, but always loved them. It does seem like we've only got 4 out of the 5 pickups to complete this set. We're missing the Series 3 Land Rover. Wait a minute. Talking about Fast and Furious. Look at this. They've got the 1970s Dodge Hemi Challenger. This is from Too Fast, Too Furious. You know when they have that drag race right at the start? Where they race this against the purple Mitsubishi Eclipse? I'm not really going to collect all the Fast and Furious cars, but I am going to pick up the ones that I really like. And I do like this one, so I will be adding it to my collection. Now, unfortunately, we don't have the full 5 set of these pickups, but I think I'll get these as well. I have been buying the odd car that I can't find through eBay. And just to let you know, I've put my affiliate links to a couple of the eBay stores that I use in the description. So if you do buy anything through eBay and use those links, it does help out the channel, so thank you. And I just want to say, damn, these pickups look good. I'm gutted we didn't get that last one. It's getting busy in here now, guys, so I'm going to quickly go through these pegs. First off, we've got the Volkswagen Baja Bug. Do you know I've actually had quite a few Volkswagen cars myself in my lifetime? I've had a 2001 Polo, a 2016 Polo, which the head gasket blew on within like 2 weeks of me having it, so yeah. I had a 2018 R-Line Polo, and I also had a Volkswagen Up GTI, the only GTI that I ever owned. I don't know if America actually has the Up GTI. Like, I don't know what purpose it would serve in America because it's a tiny little car, and I feel like everything is a little bit too big for it. But I really enjoyed my little Up GTI. It was a good car. I think since seeing the Volkswagen Rally Team Polo, I've had a big attraction to the VW brand. But not anymore. I do have a Hyundai car now. Maybe that's also because I like the Hyundai i20 rally car. I think we're seeing a pattern here with the cars that I like. It's all rally. Ooh, this is one of the better looking bone shakers, isn't it, guys? I love the paint job on this one. Oh, you ready for this one? It's the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that not one of the longest names of a car in Hot Wheels? Oh, bruv, it's the Cockney Cab. Yeah, that's my attempt of a Cockney accent. This is obviously based on the infamous London Black Cabs. We do have a few of them up north as well. It's old Manchester. Okay, we got a drone duty, very nice, and a very nice looking mod rod. Now, it is getting really busy in here, guys, so I'm going to go through the rest of the pegs. I'll let you know if I pick anything up. Nope, just a load of common mainline Hot Wheels, so I didn't pick up any more, but I'm so happy with what we got. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, see you on the next one.